Hello friends. Welcome back to English Speak Easy. I'm Joey. Today, we are going to master the art of people skills. You can be the smartest person in the room, but if people don't like you, it is hard to succeed. Success is 15% technical knowledge and 85% human engineering personality and the ability to lead people. So, how do you make anyone like you instantly? I have selected 6 golden rules from the legendary book, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. We will practice the exact phrases to build trust and influence. Are you ready to become a people magnet? Let's dive in. Rule number 1: never criticize, condemn, or complain. Criticism is dangerous because it wounds a person's pride and hurts their sense of importance. Instead of judging, try to understand. Use these empathy phrases. I see where you are coming from. 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 That must have been difficult for you. 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 I understand why you feel that way. 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 Let's look at the situation from your perspective. 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 Rule number 2: give honest and sincere appreciation. The deepest urge in human nature is the desire to be important. Don't use cheap flattery. Give real compliments. I really admire your work ethic. 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 You did a phenomenal job today. 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 I truly appreciate your help. 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 You are a great asset to this team. 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 Rule number 3 is simple but powerful: smile. Actions speak louder than words, and a smile says, I like you. You make me happy. Even on the phone, your smile can be heard. Practice these friendly greetings. I am so happy to see you. 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 It's wonderful to meet 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 you. Your energy always brightens the room. 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 Thanks for making my day. 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 Rule number 4: be genuinely interested in other people. You can make more friends in 2 months by becoming interested in others than you can in 2 years by trying to get others interested in you. Ask them about themselves. What inspired you to start this? 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 Tell me more about your experience. 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 How do you spend your free time? 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 That is fascinating. Please go on. 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 Rule number 5: remember that a person's name is to that person the sweetest sound in any language. Using their name shows respect. Practice adding names to your sentences. It's great to see you, Sarah. 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 What do you think about this, Mike? 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 I completely agree with you, David. 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 Thank you for your time, Jessica. 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 Rule number 6: if you are wrong, admit it quickly and emphatically. This disarms your opponent and shows you are confident and honest. Don't argue. Just admit it. I was wrong about that. I apologize. 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 That was my mistake. I'll fix it. 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 I take full responsibility for this. 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 Thank you for correcting me. 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 We covered a lot today. Remember these 6 rules: don't criticize, appreciate, smile, be interested, use names, and admit mistakes. These are not just English phrases, they are life skills. If you use them, you will see magic happen in your relationships. Assignment: which rule is the hardest for you? For me, it is remembering names. What about you? Tell me in the comments. I'm Joey. Go out there and win some friends. See you in the next video.